months old now. I just washed it this morning and I did a retwist, and that's exactly what it looks like. So far everything stays the same, nothing has changed. I'm not having issues with washing my hair with shampoo and just retwisting with water. I'm not experiencing any breakage, I'm not experiencing any buildups, I'm not experiencing any lints, I'm not experiencing any dryness. Everything is going as planned. I love the low and minimal maintenance that Lux in general offers. I love the convenience and the simplicity of it. Like, it's perfect. I don't have to worry about, do I need to get another product? Do I need to put this? Do I need to apply that? Nothing at all. It's been fantastic. And honestly, I think you should give it a shot if you've been considering it. And if you haven't started locks yet, why not give the water only lock maintenance a try? So if you haven't started locks at all, I would honestly suggest you try with just water only, like wash with shampoo and then retwist with just water, and see how you like it. If you've already started your locks and you want to transition to water only retwisting, I don't know exactly how that's gonna work out for you. Honestly, I don't. You might have to try. You may go through some, what do you call it, transition period where the products that are already in your hair may need time to work its way out before you start enjoying the benefits of the water only retwisting. But otherwise, honestly, just give it a shot. You never know. You never know. You just might like it. And if what you have going right now works for you, then by all means, stay with it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So anyways, this is a really short video. I have no intentions of making it long. I just remember that I promised to come show you my hair when it is retwisted and freshly washed, of course. And yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. And obviously, if you have any questions with regards to my process and any questions at all regarding my locks, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please feel free to share it with anyone. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really greatly, profoundly appreciate it. And I want to say a quick big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel recently. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And what can I say? Thank you, and thank you again. Okay, if there is nothing else to add to this, this is where I say my goodbyes for the day. I hope you're having a wonderful one, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Adios.